Right, so for a few short months since we launched ProducerStack.com, we've been on a mission. Restoring vintage hardware, running studio sessions, capturing the exact sounds that powered UK house music's golden era. And now we've opened the vault. Everything we've captured and released in 2025 bundled together. Legendary synths with equally legendary presets meticulously multi-sampled from authentic hardware, bundled with classic drum packs and MIDI chords to boot, every sound processed through vintage Neve 1073 DPX preamps, every preset intelligently mapped in Serum 2 with 8 macro controls. The Korg M1, that Piano 16 and Organ 2, sounds that are still dominating dance music today. The Yamaha TX81Z Lately Bass, that deep FM richness, that legendary sound. The Roland Juno-106 with its lush analog chorus. House music DNA. The Casio CZ-101, that almost toy-like phase distortion organ that powered the Rave generation. But here's what makes this different from just buying presets. Every single sound comes with production-ready MIDI and audio examples. We've also included our complete M1 House Chords pack. 20 professionally voiced MIDI progressions with both dry and wet audio renders. And as a bonus, 2 complete drum packs. Production-ready samples across 40 kits that defined an era. The complete ProducerStack Heritage House Music Vault. Check it out at ProducerStack.com.